So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, a lot of people DM me and were asking me questions like, how did I set those moving average? This blue and the red, and this blue and the red line at the top here. They are called moving average. They are called moving average or indicators. They are the ones that will show you where the market is actually heading to. They will show you where the market is actually heading to. Like if it is moving up, they tends to move up. And if they are moving down, they tends to move down as well. So they give you a clear view of how the market is moving actually. So okay, sorry for that. So I'll be showing you people how to set this indicator up. Okay, I'll be showing you people how to set this indicator up actually. Excuse me, please. Okay, so the first thing you do first is to click on this F icon at the top here. When you click on this F icon at the top, if you haven't set anything yet, what you need to do is to click on this main chart. Click on the F plus button at the left or at the right hand side. So when you click on it, you will search for moving average. So when you click on this moving average here, you click on moving average. When you click on this moving average, you will have to set you have to set it the way I set these ones here. You have to set period to 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style is 4 pixel, and color is blue. So when you are done with this, you click on done. When you click on done, you still go back again. When you click on done, you still come back to this main chart. You understand? Click on that F button and come back to this and click on this main chart. When you click on it, you only click on this moving average the second time. You understand? So when you click on it the second time, you will have to set it to be exactly like this one. Sorry. You have to set it again to give you period 21, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. And then style is 4 pixel and color will be red. Then you quickly click on done. You understand? And then you go back and the whole thing will be showing exactly this way. You understand? So just as I said earlier, that this that they are called moving average, and that they help tell you where the market is actually heading to. Okay, tell you how the market will be. So let us open a trade here. Since it is giving us an upward trend, let us go with an upward trend here. So we have to, so we will buy. So I just want to show you people an example. An upward trend. So we'll buy here. So you can see. So let's go to the chart. You can see it is moving up, right? And sometimes it tends to move down. It moves up. It tends to move down. You can see. Can you see it here? You can see it is moving up. So first thing first, before you open a trade, make sure you've analyzed the market. Make sure you've checked the time frame, the 1 minute time frame, your 5 minutes time frame, your 15 minutes. Try to study the charts, know where it is heading to actually. Okay, as you can see, the 1 minute time frame is actually pointing upward, and the 15 minute time frame is actually pointing downwards. And now, when you look, well, let us look at the 30 minutes time frame. It is equally pointing downward, and the 1 hour time frame is equally pointing downward. So when you look at them, then it gives you a clue of where you will actually place your trade. So try as much as you can to see that you check very well. You analyze the market before you jump into the market because of your capital. Very, very important. If you should just jump into the market without proper analyzing, your money will just vanish. Like you won't see your money again. It is very, very important. It is very, very important. So when you check and when you are done analyzing, then you get into the market. So what next I would like to show you people? I did show you people how to connect the MT5, how to connect your account to MT5, and then how to start trading as well. Some people probably ask me that same question, which I don't really think I have the time to start showing them all those stuffs. I don't really have those time. Well, if you must know, all you just need to do is when you click on these three horizons, let me say like you are in the trade here, you can click on these three horizons here, click on manage account. When you click on manage account, you click on this plus icon here at the top. Now you have to search the broker you are using. Okay, if you're using TENTRADE, if you're using Deriv Limited, if you're using Octafx, EXNESS, depend if you're using HFM, if you're using super FOREX, a lot of them in the market, depending on your choice. And make sure you only go for the best brokers, not all these Yahoo boys. Okay, so when you click on this find broker, you can type HFM, for example, and you can see they have shown, right? So you just click on anyone, put in your login details, put in your password, click on save password, and then you click on log in, and you will be logged in automatically. Then you have every single thing that the broker offers here. Now let me say, okay, let me use Octafx for example. This is Octafx here. Let me log into Octafx. Hope network won't disturb us. Okay, it has logged in. Okay, now this is Octafx and this is actually currency pairs. Okay, now let me say if you want to go for commodity, if you want to actually go for commodity, let us click on. So here, let us search for crypto pairs. Okay, so we'll be searching let's search for BTC. BTC. You can now see that BTC USDT. You just click on it, and that's really it will be added to your list. All you just need to do is to go down to the bottom, or go down to the bottom, and you can see BTC here, USDT. So if you want to trade currency pairs, you can equally trade it there. So you just click on it, click on the chart, okay, and here it is. So under 1 hour time frame, everything is down, like we are pointing downwards. Now you can see that some of these candlesticks are actually showing a buy sign. Forget about those buy sign, they will equally reverse, or another candlestick of it kind will reverse. Okay, so under 30 minutes, you can see that they are showing a lot of buy and sell. Okay, 15 minutes actually, so she's 15 minutes. It's actually showing a buy, and it's about to call it showing a sell. So what am I trying to say here? This moving average helps a lot to indicate or show you where the market is actually heading to. So if you do your proper analysis and then you go into the market, do not forget this again. If you must trade, be ready to watch your trade, no matter the expert you are. Always watch your trade. If you feel like you don't have the time to trade, if you feel you don't have the time to watch your trade, please do not open a trade. Do not open a trade so that you don't wipe your account. Very, very important. So how do you, okay, we opened the trade, right? Okay, this is just the trade I opened some minutes ago. Okay, now this in this trade here, when you open a trade, let me show you people how to cut a trade. Or let me in this trade here, modify. Okay, in this trade I did not put anything. Like, I should have put in my stop loss and my take profit, but I did not. So how did you navigate back? When you click on it, this board pops up. You click on chart here. Okay, now let us go under 1 hour time frame or 4 hours here. Let us choose 1 hour. Okay, I entered the market in a very distance part. Okay, now if I want to set, had it been at that time I wish to set my stop loss. Okay, my stop loss, which is actually, stop loss simply means if it goes against you, where, for you not to lose your whole money, when it gets to that point, it cuts automatically, like you take your losses there. Okay, now if I wish to set my losses at that moment, let me say under 4 hours, I will actually place my stop loss under 1 hour time frame. I will place my stop loss between blue this green stick, the top where we have 1.21245. That is where I will place my stop loss. Then I am likely to place my take profit between my take profit take profit. I will set my take profit to 1.20295. Okay, that's where I will set my take profit. But because I did not set it at that time and it went in my favor, what do? If I want to set it now, or I rather cut the trade, then open another trade. But if I wish to set it now, I will set it between 1.2200. Because of how the chart here, because of what my moving average is actually showing me. Okay, so now when I click on this trade at the bottom, I will click on this trade that is currently running now. Then I will click on modify. I will click on SL, which is the stop loss. Then I will set it to, I will type in 1.21245. Okay, then I will set my take profit at exactly 1.20200. Okay, then I will click on modify. Okay, now let us go back. You can see that it has equally shown another double lines. It has shown something like TP, which is take profit, and then this one at the top here. Let us go to 4 hour time frame so that you will see it clearly. Stop loss. Okay, you can see it, stop loss SL. So now when it gets to this point, to the point of this TP here, it will close automatically. Like the trade will close itself. It will close automatically. Simply then I will take my profit. But if it goes against me and get to this upper line, here we have SL, which is the stop loss, it will close automatically and I will take my loss at that point. Very, very important. Now, another thing again, when you want to enter a trade, you need to look at your volume, your lot size. What are you using to go into the market? How much are you taking? Okay, how much of your money are you taking into the market? So when you look at it, you set it to your own taste. Do not be in a rush. You can sometimes be practicing with your demo account and maybe you are setting it to $5. Okay, so now, for example, let me say under here, if we should click on this plus button here at the top to open another trade here. Okay, and then we clicked on this volume. Here we have 0.01. If we click on it and set it to 1 or 1 or 2, when we click on sell, just watch. Did you see? Now the amount of losses that you will have equals the amount of profit that you will have, depending on your lot size. If you should go with such amount now, and you are having something like, if it goes in your favor the same way, like it will be pouring you profit, okay? But if it goes against you, believe in me, it will take it not less than 2 seconds to wipe your account if you do not have a sufficient fund. So it is very, very important. Now, if you want to close a trade, maybe you are okay with a profit or the loss seems to be much, like it is actually looking like something that won't go in your favor, just tap on it and then click on close. Okay, then it will tell you close with profit. You click on it. Or if you're actually on a loss like this one, if you click on it, click on this, then they'll tell you close with loss. You click on it and it is automatically closed. So that is just what I want to show you people today. Tomorrow, I think next video, I'll be showing people how to set the MACD. That is this down part here. It equally shows more. I will show you how to set the MACD, the RSI. It is very, very important. I will equally tell you people its functions and how it helps as well. So for the meantime, I would like to exit for now. Please guys, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. I will definitely appreciate that. Leave a comment below. Tell me what exactly you want me to talk about concerning trading or concerning anything marketing, or if there's anything you feel like you want to tell me, no problem. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number there. Just DM me and I will definitely get back to you. Okay, so guys, please try to subscribe, share and leave a comment for me. Thank you and bye bye for now.